welcome back to this channel. Being now with Black Friday, I had the chance to first try them this N9000H ITA. These are my sizes, and I will say that 40.5 or 7.5 in US is my true to size in Diadora. And we start with the unboxing. At the first glance, we can see that the quality in these sneakers is the best I've seen so far. They are made with multiple kinds of leather. All of them, they are in very good quality. They have leather inside, leather outside. They are perfect for me, almost, to be honest. The lateral panels have nylon, and inside we have some textile material, I think is cotton. These are the laces. They are the thickest I've seen so far. They do look like they will last forever. The size of these laces is 120 centimeters or 47 inches. Here we have the tongue. We can see it's with perforated leather, very good quality, very soft and plush. But I wish it was perforated inside too. Here we can see how well it's padded. I think it's the best I've seen so far in that regard. In this shot we can see a bit better the interior. Like I've said, it's made with leather and some textile material. Here the insoles are removable. They are made with soft foam and leather, which is the top layer. These insoles have very good cushioning. Here we have the second one. The quality is exactly the same, very good quality. Everything is well done, stitching or glue it. Here we have the materials on this label. We can see here better. Everything is leather almost. Even the leather from this insole is very soft to the touch. And here we can see the thickness. Here is a short tour with all the glue on this sole, and I think the quality is quite okay. Here we have some scratches, but on camera looks more deeper than actually are. In this shot I'm trying to show you all the padding that these sneakers have inside. To be honest, I can't ask for more. This is simply great. Here we have the weight test in comparison with 991 New Balance. This is the weight of Diadora, 687 grams or 24 ounces. New Balance have 798 grams or 28 ounces. So the weight difference is around 100 grams or 4 ounces, Diadora being a bit more lighter. And here we have a quick physical comparison. We can see that the materials are a bit different in both of them. New Balance have some reflective materials and I really like them. Also, New Balance have a bit wider toe box. Some on-fit shots from upper angle. In comfort, Diadora has a bit more cushioning and I like them a bit more. And now some on-fit shots from lower angle. Pros and cons. For pros, well, the materials, the comfort, which is very superior to New Balance in this case. It's almost like Ultra Boost or Fresh Foam from New Balance. Other thing that we should keep in mind is the price. They usually go for 240 euros, which is plenty of money. Right now are at 44% off, so they are at 133.6 euros or 134.4 US dollars. So as pros, there are many things to say about them. The quality, the comfort, the weight, the colorway, everything I would say could be a pro. I really like them. As cons, we only have maybe the price because they are very expensive, 240 euros when they are not on sale. And the biggest problem of them is the squeaking noise that they make, and I will show you what I mean with that. I really want to believe that only my pair had this issue, and I don't know if it's true or not, but I hope it's just mine. So my final thoughts on them: they could have been perfect, for me at least, but that squeaking noise drives me crazy, so I don't know if I should recommend this pair or not. Otherwise, the quality is just awesome, to be honest. This colorway is not available right now on the Diadora website. I don't know if it will come back again or not, but they have other colors on this model and they are at 44% off. I will end my review here. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time, and please don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions, just let me know.